Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I am doing a Secret Santa collab. If y'all have been following me, I'm gonna take my glasses off for a minute, y'all, because the glare, I'll have to put them back on in a minute, but anyways, if you've been following me for a while now, you'll know that this is the third year that I have done this Secret Santa collab. It is hosted by my very good friend Courtney from the channel Mama Makes It Happen. I will have her link down below. Y'all, she has been my friend basically ever since I started YouTube, and she is a sweetheart. I just love her. And so she tries every year to get a group of ladies together. Okay, so we use a website called drawnames.com that Courtney found. And everybody who is in the list or in the collab, we go sign up, we get put into like a drawing. Each person is sent an email with their Secret Santa's name, or their person, I guess you could say. I'm their Secret Santa. So you get your person sent to you by email, and then we have between a $20 to $30 price limit that we will spend on the gifts. Now stay tuned to the end of the video because I share the gifts that I got for my person and I reveal who they were. So the main reason that we do this video every year is to give people an idea of gifts to get. You know how it is every year, you always come up with like maybe office gifts for people that you work with, or family members that maybe you're not as close to, and you're like, what do I get this person? So we're gonna give y'all some ideas today of things that you can buy people. So anyways, I'm gonna start out with my gift, and y'all, I have to tell you a funny story. I have a sign out by my front door that has that says to the UPS man, the FedEx man, USPS or woman, to please not to leave any packages on our porch. We have a blue heeler. Her name is Stormy. She is a country dog. She lives outside, she roams free, and she loves it. But she also likes to eat packages. Well, sometimes I guess they don't pay attention. They're probably very busy and they don't have time to see a sign hanging by the door. So my gift was now she doesn't eat boxes, but my gifts were in like the plastic, the packaging that a lot of times, the envelopes that they put stuff in. I pulled up and I was like, oh no, because I could see little pieces of package like in the grass. And I came up, and sure enough, I could tell it was something I haven't ordered, and it was my Secret Santa gift. So I don't know if my Secret Santa had a note maybe in the package, because one of them came from Amazon. If it was in there, it got eaten by the dog. So I don't know who my gift is from. So I'm hoping whoever you are, please leave a comment down below and let me know, because I'd like to tell you thank you. But the first gift I got, y'all, put on my glasses, y'all, so I can read. But it is a candle warmer. It's one of the pluggable fragrance warmers like this. And y'all, you can see the dog did not destroy it, but she started to eat the box. And I guess she was like, I won't eat it. So I'm going to open this up actually, because I have a couple, just not the same ones, but I have a couple like this and I really like them. They just plug into the wall. This one says, bless this home. I love it. It's so cute. You put your little wax melt on top and plug it in. How cute is that? That is so cute. You just flip the little switch. And I have one in my kid's bathroom that stays on all the time, so it doubles as a nightlight and it makes it smell good. Okay, the other thing I got, y'all, I was so excited. And I was just talking the other day about this place. $25 Starbucks gift card. Y'all, I was talking about Starbucks on my Instagram stories the other day about how I don't know what to buy and this and this. Well, now I have no excuse not to go and get me some coffees there, because $25, y'all. So I haven't used it yet because I wanted to I wanted to wait and share this with y'all. So I'm going to use this. I think tomorrow morning, I know what I'm doing. I'm going to go and enjoy me a cup of coffee from my Secret Santa, whoever you are out there. Thank you so much. I am going to enjoy these two gifts. These are very thoughtful. This person knows I love good smelling stuff, and I love coffee. Iced coffee is my favorite, so I'm excited to use this. So what I wanted to do really quickly before I end today's video is I wanted to shout out each of the people that are in this collab. Of course, Courtney from Mama Makes It Happen. She's been around for a little while here on YouTube for several years, and I love her. She does cleaning, cooking, a little bit of everything. The next person, and some of these people I do not know that well, but I'm learning about them and getting to know them, is Katrina Williams from Katrina Does It All. And she is a wife and mommy to 2, and she has a YouTube channel, and she's on Instagram. The next person is Karima. I'm hoping I say her name right, but I think it's Karima. And she is also a YouTube mommy. There is Latanya Hill from I Am Latanya Yvette. And I have seen some of her videos, and I really like her. She's a vlogger. Then my dear friend that I just made this past year from Managing the Maze is Sammy. She does What's for Dinner videos. Sweet girl. There is Natara's Space, or Natara Johnson. She has a YouTube channel also and does a lot of motivational cleaning videos. And then Siobhan Melanie TV. She has a YouTube channel and does lots of things, and she has an Etsy shop, and she's here on Instagram also. And then my good friend Yonina Shondell, I have been knowing her too about as long as I have known Courtney. She actually had my name the last 2 years in a row. It would be funny if I found out that this year she had me again. But anyways, Yonina, she just recently got married, and she is a sweetheart. Her voice, y'all, is so soothing to me. I just love the way she talks. If nothing, just go and watch her and listen to her voice because it's so soothing. But anyways, so that is everybody's in the collab. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to insert a clip of what I got for my person. I'm going to reveal who they are. And like I said, go, I'm going to have the playlist linked down below. Go check out these other ladies. I think it's going to be a fun video for everybody to watch and to get ideas. And I can't wait to watch all of these videos also. So I can get some ideas for people in my life of what to get them. So anyways, thank y'all so much. If you're new here, if you came over from one of these lovely ladies' channels, thank you for stopping by. I would love it if y'all would hit that subscribe button and follow me here on YouTube. And I'm also over on Instagram. So anyways, the glare is real, y'all. The glare is real. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't go nowhere. Remember, I have a little bit coming. But anyways, go check everybody out. I'm scatterbrained today. It's a Monday when I'm doing this. So anyways, Merry Christmas, y'all. Hey, y'all. I always like to include in my Secret Santa video the gift that I got from my person. So this year, I was so excited when I got my name. I got Yonina Shondell, who had my name the last 2 years in a row. So it was so cool to see her name pop up on the computer or on my phone and show that was who I had. So I had a hard time at first trying to figure out what to get her. And so I did some looking at Walmart, at Hobby Lobby, at just different places. And I finally, the first thing that I got was, okay, Walmart had these 20-pack of the Papermate Flare felt tip pens. And if y'all know, these are, I mean, for 20, they're usually, they would be high. But they were having a special because of Christmas. So I got this pack of pens because I was like, you know what? I think she could do a lot of journaling or planning or whatever with these pens. So I know her husband, she just got married. Her husband is a pastor. So I was like, hey, she can take notes during church, write down prayer requests, things like that. So then I went to Hobby Lobby and found these. It's a 3-pack of little tablets or whatever. One is for sermon notes, one just says regular notes, and then the other is a prayer journal. So here is on the back, if you can see a little close up. So it's a 3-pack of notebooks. So I thought that would be perfect to go with the pens. And then while I was looking, I found this, and I may go back and get me one. It is a meal planner, but the thing I like that's really cool is, I don't know if you can tell, but over on the side, the grocery list is perforated. And so you can take that off. Just as you're making your meal plan and you're writing down what you need, you can just easily tear that piece off. So I thought, hey, this would go with those pins too. And she just got married. She's probably planning meals for her and her husband. So I thought, you know. And then another thing I included was this little Dr. Teals foaming bath set. I love both of these. Me and my husband use both of these. It just depends if I'm in the store and they have the sleep one, I always get it, or if they're out, I get this other one here, which is for sleep also. And these smell so good and I love them. So I thought, hey, this would be something cool so she could relax, take a bath. And then I included, you know, we need to have some candy. So I got some peppermint bark, which is Christmassy, and you know, Gardelli, good. And then the last thing I got is, okay, she just got married, and one of the first things, the first gift she ever gave me, there was an ornament, and I'm gonna show it to y'all. She included an ornament, which was this camera, which, you know, symbolized YouTube. And so I do not even put this on my tree, y'all. I have it sitting on my desk all year round. And every time I look at it, I think of my friend Yonina, and she's a sweetheart, y'all. So I wanted to get her something kind of special. And so being that it's her and her husband's first Christmas, I found this, and then I printed off a picture of her and her husband on their wedding day to put in it. And you can hang this as a front, hang this on your tree, or you can hang it like as a frame, or not hang it, set it up as a frame. But I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it says Our First Christmas 2021. So I hope she really likes that, because I thought this was just, I don't know, I thought it was something kind of special. So that is what I got her. And so what I like to do is I always like to wrap everything in wrapping paper, which, you know where I got that idea? From Yonina, because she did it with my gift that I got from her the first year. And so I always want to wrap everything up. So what I'm going to do really quickly is I'm going to wrap everything and get it packaged up so that I can get it mailed out today. So, but I just wanted to share that with y'all. And after I get everything wrapped, I'll show you how it all looks. So anyways. Okay, y'all, I've got them all wrapped, and I put these cute little tags that I found at Dollar Tree. And on each of the packages, I have little messages that kind of give a hint of what's in there, which you go watch Yonina Shondell, go watch her video, and she will probably share all those with you. But now I'm going to box this up, put a card in there revealing who I am, and I'm going to mail that to her.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.